Hello guys, welcome to Survival Russia. It's the day after yesterday, it's Sunday, it's awesome as always, and in this little video here I want to show you and demonstrate how you will with 99% certainty never ever lose a button in your trousers again, or shirt or jacket for that matter. I was sitting this morning here and rebuttoning these Swedish army trousers. These trousers are from 1961 and you certainly do not want to lose buttons from 1961. I came to think about this little hack here. I found out all by myself. That's not really true. I actually got it from a friend called Steve. We'll get into that a little bit later. But when I was stitching the trousers, I was applying this little button hack. So I was thinking, hey, why not make a video for the guys, because this is extremely useful. So the way to prevent the buttons from falling out of the trousers or whatever, I got from Steve. He has a YouTube channel called So Steve, and I will link to it up here. I will link to it in the description block here down below. And Steve, he's been very kind. Steve, he actually sent me 4 of these Belgian trousers here. I like the Belgian jigsaw camo, as many of you might know. Even the Survival Russia vehicle is painted in this pattern, and I have a lot of stuff in this pattern here from the Belgian army or Belgian forces, and it's good stuff, and I will do a video on that. Up until Steve sent me these trousers here, I didn't have any trousers in the Belgian camo. I had the jackets and rucksacks and but no trousers. So I wrote Steve, because I knew he's Belgian, and asked him where can I buy them, because I could not find them online, right? So Steve said, no problem, I'm in the Belgian forces, I'll just go down and get some trousers for you, no problem. So that's what Steve basically did, and he sent me 4 pairs. That is awesome, because as all of the Belgian stuff that I have been in contact with is really good stuff, and it's really well thought out. But Steve said that they had a tendency to lose the buttons. So what Steve says that he does to prevent the buttons from falling off or falling out is that he applies a little bit of super lube or super glue, you know, the fast 10-second glue. And I have tested this out, and I of course applied it to the Swedish trouser buttons here that was about to fall off, and it works pretty well, because I've been using this method here on my trousers for, I don't know, like 6-8 months or something at least. So I'll show you really fast how I do it, because Steve, he never told me really how he does it. He said just give it a little blob of super glue, and I never lost a button, basically. So here we have some Belgian trousers with all the buttons intact. That's awesome, because it's really irritating to lose buttons. So what I do is, as you can see on the back where the buttons are stitched, so we can find it here, for example, I just take the super glue and add a little blob, boop, boop, boop. And on these trousers here I have also added a little blob here on the button on the front. It works pretty well. I've done it on most of my trousers actually, especially the ones which I had problems with, and the problem have not reoccurred, so it's pretty awesome. These trousers are also awesome. So once again, thank you Steve for the trousers. They're really awesome, and thank you for the little button life hack. That's also awesome. So you guys, you can also apply it, and you can share it with family members and friends and fellow outdoorsmen and whatnot. So guys, I hope you like this little video here, little button hack, and I hope you want to check the links in the descriptions and support the channel here in 2018, which is really important actually. And yeah, so share, subscribe, so bell, sub, like, and until next time, get out and train, get it done, do something awesome. Thank you for your time, thank you for your support, and see you in the next video, guys.